We have a life raft at the back. It will automatically launch if anything was to happen, and there would be enough food for 30 days there if we were to go adrift, but we'll only be less than a mile out of the water, so we won't be that far. Emergency exits are on the left and right. You can see where those are. If you want to vacate the ship, just put your hands in the sky. No, I'm only messing. If you want to slow down, just raise your right hand. So if you all want to just try that now, just put your right hand up. So yeah, there you go. Do this if you want to go faster, but this is if you want to go on the engine. From the plane. Scottish Highland sort of vibe to it.
Well, they're one and the same. We had the cinema room there. The waves come right over the ground.
Oh wow. Wow. The little one there.
It's a big long one, yeah, that's quite long one. He's got a swimming pool underneath it, and then in the water he's got a cold water pool that fills the water, and then when the tide comes out, it's a swimming pool. Right, you can see a lot of heads here, but like glass. The little church we have is called St. Agnes, so it's from the 7th century.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah.
Well.
Yeah, I'll leave it on.